High above the city where concrete meets sky and the ocean stretches endlessly beyond the horizon, we begin with nothing but raw structure. No water, no luxury, no beauty yet, only engineering, precision, vision. This rooftop will soon become one of the most exclusive infinity pools ever built. But first, we start from absolute zero. Every great structure begins with planning. Laser levels scan the rooftop. Chalk markings map out the future. Pool basin, sun decks, fire features, even a helipad. Every line has a purpose. Every measurement matters. Materials arrive in perfect order. Cement, steel, waterproofing rolls, timber planks, staged with military precision. This isn't construction. This is controlled choreography. Now, the rooftop becomes a blueprint. A steel grid is marked. Laser beams stretch across the surface. This is where depth changes. This is where the infinity edge will sit. This is where mechanical systems will hide. Math replaces imagination. Every millimeter matters. Wood rises from concrete. Massive formwork panels are bolted together, creating the future shape of the pool. Steel braces lock everything in place. No movement, no flex. Absolute rigidity, this is the skeleton. Steel floods the site. Reinforcement bars form a dense cage. Workers tie every joint by hand. They check rebar spacing, pipe slope, wall alignment. Because once concrete pours, this becomes permanent. The machine arrives. A massive hose snakes across the rooftop. This is the moment of truth. Concrete flows. Heavy, thick, relentless. Vibrators remove air pockets. The rebar disappears beneath stone. The base is born. A permanent structure. The surface levels out. Moisture reflects sunlight. The pool finally exists, even though it's still empty. Walls rise, thick plywood, steel clamps. The infinity edge wall is taller, stronger, engineered differently, because this side will hold water without a visible boundary. Steel cages drop into place. Corners get extra reinforcement. Lighting conduits run inside the walls. Everything hidden, everything planned. This is the heart of the illusion.
Pour it slowly. Make sure it settles evenly around the rebar.
Stainless steel channels form the spillway. Water will flow here, perfectly flat, without turbulence. Micrometer precision. Concrete returns. Slow. Controlled. The infinity edge gets special attention. More vibration. Slower pour, because perfection lives here. The structure is now undeniable, a solid, geometric form, a pool suspended in the sky, hidden power zones. Concrete is cut, recessed rooms. This is where pumps, filters, heaters will live. Luxury always hides its machinery. a secret reservoir. Overflow water from the infinity edge will collect here, then recirculate. This system keeps water level perfect, always. Formwork is removed. Raw concrete is revealed. Grinding, cleaning, perfection. This is the most important step. Multiple layers, corners reinforced, every pore sealed, because water is patient and it finds weaknesses. Special waterproof glue, applied slowly, evenly, no rush. Luxury tiles go in, perfect spacing, ocean-inspired tones. The pool finally gains personality, the most delicate work. Ultra-thin tiles, zero tolerance. One misalignment ruins the illusion. Underwater LEDs, sealed, tested. The pool will glow at night. Steel frames rise. Fire pit zones marked, seating platforms mapped, gas lines installed, ignition systems tested. The pool fills for the first time. Pipes pressurized. Engineers watch gauges. No leaks. Success. beast descends. Rotor wash ripples water. Floating trays move, a cinematic moment. Sunset paints the sky. Pool lights glow. Fire dances. This is luxury poetry. Workers gone. Infinity pool blending into ocean. Helicopter resting. Fire glowing. Everything aligned. No mistakes, no shortcuts. Just absolute perfection.